Next round, brought to you by our style partner, Biba. Now, India's leading ethnic fashion brand with over 300 brand outlets across the country. In this round, these gorgeous girls will show you their style quotient in stunning ethnic wear from Biba. The footwear for this round has been provided by Totes Galore. Ladies and gentlemen, round two. Give it up for the ladies. Come on, round of applause, people! Thank you so much, ladies, for another splendid show of style and elegance. I'd like to tell all of you that you can now be a part of the ongoing conversations on social media as well. You can, use hashtag VLCC Femina Style Diva. I hope to see some really cool pictures. In fact, just for the timing, I'm going to take a picture of all of us right now. Can you all smile for me? Say something loud. Say cheese. Let's move on to another round, a round in which we have the contestants showcasing beautiful evening gowns by one of India's leading designers, Namrata Joshipura. These creations are sinfully sheer, sensual, and chic. The fabrics used are nets, georgettes, gold velvets in hues of greys and blacks. Perfect for the night. Footwear for this round has been provided once again by Totes Galore. Let's have a look-see at the final round.
Any guesses?
A lot more excitement we have in store for you. As a run-up to tonight, our contestants also participated in sub-contests during the last week. It was tough for them, it was grilling, but did a great job. It's now time to announce the winners. Now, our first sub-contest was for the title of the VLCC's Most Confident Diva contestant. Were asked to create their own personal makeup look and carry it off with confidence. Now, prior to the sub-contest, contestants were taught makeup tricks and tips from VLCC makeup experts. The winner receives a gift hamper from VLCC. To give away this award, I'd like to call on stage the one, the only, Tanya Chaitanya. The winner of the VLCC Most Confident Diva is contestant number 14, Sweta Singh. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Our next sub-contest was for the title of Biba Trendiest Diva. Contestants were judged on the basis of how they styled a fusion outfit from Biba's latest collection with their own accessories and individual sense of style. The winner receives a gift voucher from Biba. To give away this award, I would like to call on stage a young achiever who has varied experiences in advertising and brand building and has been a head marketing person for Biba for over 3 years now. Please, a huge round of applause for Miss Ekta Datta, marketing head, Biba Apparels. Winner of Biba's Trendiest Diva is Sweta Singh. 2 in a row, that's the way to go. Our next sub-contest was for the title of Maruti Suzuki Most Desirable Diva. The winner was judged on the basis of a digital poll on Femina.in. To give away this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Tarun Gandhi, General Manager Marketing, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. And the winner of the Maruti Suzuki Most Desirable Diva is contestant number 8, Preeta Singh. Our final sub-contest was for the title of Sheen Elegant Diva. Contestants were judged on the basis of elegance, intelligence, and style. The lady whose personality shone through the brightest was adjudged the winner of this sub-contest. The winner receives an elegant Sheen watch. To give away this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Kulbhushan Seth, VP Casio India. So you'll be giving out the award to the Sheen Elegant Diva, which is contestant number 13, Rashi Rao. So I think it's time now that the judges answer a few questions of their own.
विजेंद्र, आपका सवाल है. बताइए जी, आप एक इंटरनेशनल बॉक्सर हैं. आपने एक फिल्म भी अभी की है, आपने कैमरा फेस किया है. तो क्या लेसन सीखे आपने?
कुछ नहीं यार, जो तुम हो वो बन के रहो. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि लाइक तुम्हें चेंज होना चाहिए किसी के लिए. सो कई लोगों ने मेरी मूवी देखी नहीं होगी, आई थिंक फगली. आपने सुना? अरे छोरा छोरी पार्टी में डुपचिक हो रही है. दैट्स अ सॉन्ग. वो बड़ा अच्छा सॉन्ग था. बट जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम शूट किया था, जब पहला दिन था, जब मैं लेह में गया था फर्स्ट टाइम, तो जब मेरे डायरेक्टर ने बोल दिया था कि तू जैसा है तू वैसा ही बन के रह, डोंट बी चेंज. तो मैंने जब पूरी मूवी ख़त्म होगी तब से लेके अब तक मैंने कोई एक्टिंग नहीं की. मैं जैसा था वैसा ही मैंने एक्ट किया. और रही बात बॉक्सिंग की बात, वो तो यार बहुत पुराना काम है मेरा.
Huma, what's the most bizarre thing you've done or had to do in the name of fashion?
If I'm doing like a fashion show for somebody and I'm wearing these big gowns और बड़े से लहंगे पहनने पड़ते हैं, so I can't walk in heels या मतलब मैं थोड़ा flat footed हूँ.
So heel of a task.
Yeah, so मैं बहुत टाइम में से नंगे पाँव चली जाती हूँ.
So गाउन के नीचे नंगे पैर.
और किसी को पता नहीं चलता.
I hope the girls are listening backstage. और नसीहत की बात कर रहे हैं, advice की बात कर रहे हैं. So what would be your advice to all these ladies if they would have joined Bollywood?
मत करो.
Girls,
बहुत competition है वैसे भी. So my advice is really think about, is this what you want to do? Because it's not just about looking pretty and wearing great clothes. It's a lot more hard work than that.
नींद उड़ जाती है. Round of applause for Alej Ahmed. और आप नींद उड़ा भी देती हैं कई सारे लोगों की, Huma, the way you are. Tanya, your question. Femina is providing these contestants an amazing platform. How should they make the most of this opportunity? What's your advice to them?
I think now with this, the social media space, with opportunities available digitally, if these people are elected or, one girl is a winner, then she should choose to be a social media influencer. And, people are following fashion intensely online. That's where I think they will lead.
Gaurav Gupta, question to you. Growing up, what were the biggest influences that shaped your design sensibilities?
A large part of my mother. And other than that, it would be Hussein Chalayan or Ray Kawakubo or Vivienne Westwood.
Thank you for that answer. Animesh Bharat, how do you all keep calm under so much pressure? There's so many functions that happen. There are so many people from different parts of the world.
People like you who come to our hotels, who are such fashionable people, you guys make us more happy in life. So I would give the
Humblest answer one can imagine. Round of applause for all the judges, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for them. Thank you so much for that.
Here we go. One step closer to the title. I'm going to call out the names of the top 8 being judged by our wonderful judges out there sitting in front of us. The first contestant is contestant number 16, Nivedita. Contestant number 4, Samiksha Singh. Contestant number 5, Shreya Mahana. Contestant number 10, Sana Dua. Contestant number 8, Preeta Singh. Contestant number 9, Ishita Sachdev. Contestant number 11, Preeti Arya. The last of the top 8. Contestant number 15, Sonal Mudgal. So there they are, ladies and gentlemen, our top 8. The divas have made their way. Heartiest congratulations to them all. And of course, guys, let's give a huge round of applause to the 8 who didn't make it as well. They were fabulous contestants. They came, they saw, they conquered, they won all our hearts. It's the Q&A time. Ladies, it's time for you to pick a judge on the basis of these chits. And once you do that, the judges will ask you a question. Aapko apna jawab dena hai. And the judges are going to rate you on the basis of that.
All right, here we go.
Animesh Balan, Mr. Animesh.
If you could steal from one celebrity's wardrobe, who would it be and why?
I would like to see Sonam Kapoor's wardrobe. She's evolved her 20s to 30s as really a style diva.
Great answer, great answer.
Mr. Vijender Singh.
क्या बात है हाय समीक्षा
Hello, sir.
कैसी हो
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत सोहनी लग रही हो सो एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन बिटवीन विराट कोहली एंड MS Dhoni who do you find more stylish
Definitely Virat Kohli. And these days it's Virat fever on.
उमा कुरैशी मैम.
अगर आप यहाँ बैठी होती तो आप कौन सी क्वालिटीज सामने कंटेस्टेंट्स में ढूंढती?
I think if you want to pursue further in life, it is very important to be chivalrous, down to earth and humble.
Lovely answer.
Mr. Vijender Singh.
So what do you think you are toughest competitor here today and why?
So I think all of them are competitors, great huge competition.
Okay.
But if I had to choose one, it would be Preeti Arya.
Okay.
And that would be because I am a huge fan of Deepika Padukone and I think that she has some resemblance with her, so I love her.
Tanya Chaitanya.
I want to know who is that one politician you would want to style and why? The
Mr.
politician-
Shashi Tharoor, because he's already quite stylish and I would love to define his personality in a more better way.
Great answers, guys. Round of applause for all our contestants, for all 8 of them. Thank you so much, ladies, for being on this very stage. Thank you so much.
Till we get to move on and find out who our winner is, where all our judges are sitting down and, crunching those numbers to see who's going to win amidst the top 8, who's going to be crowned tonight. Before we move on and announce the top 3, the winner for the evening, I think it's befitting at this point to really once again thank the people who made this evening possible. That is our most valuable partners, our title partner, VLCC, presenting partner, Maruti Suzuki Dzire, style partner, Biba, Elegance partner Sheen, footwear partner Totes Galore, image consultancy partner Impact Image Consultants, ground travel partner Deneb and Pollux, freshness partner Tupperware, western wear partner Kazo, celebration partner Emiliana, finale designer Namrata Joshipura, hospitality partner the wonderful Western Gurgaon, television partner Zoom, event conceptualized and executed by Oxygen Entertainment. Round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. The moment is upon us when we find out who will be the winners of the VLCC Femina Style Diva 2016, presented by Maruti Suzuki Dzire, styled by Biba. All the lovely 16 ladies will receive gift hampers from VLCC and Kazo. We start with the second runners-up, ladies and gentlemen, who will receive a gift hamper, a VLCC gift hamper and coverage in Femina North, along with the VLCC contract and gift hamper from Kazo. To do the honors, I would like to call on stage Ms. Pooja Singh, Associate Director, Marketing Communications, the Western Gurgaon, and Gaurav Gupta. Second runner-up, who's it going to be?
The second runner-up, VLCC Femina Style Diva, presented by
Maruti Suzuki Dzire, styled by Diva, is contestant number 16, Nivedita.
We have our first runner-up as well, who's waiting in the wings. So let's get it on out here. Who will also receive a VLCC gift hamper and coverage in Femina North, along with the VLCC contract and Kazo gift hamper. To do the honors, I would like to call on stage Mr. Vijendra Singh and Mr. Sanjeev Handa, Vice President Marketing, Maruti Suzuki India Limited.
First runner-up, VLCC Femina Style Diva, presented by Maruti Suzuki Dzire, styled by Biba, is contestant number
5, and that's Shreya Mahana.
The moment we've all been waiting for, the star of the evening, the one who will be the VLCC Femina Style Diva 2016 and receive a VLCC gift hamper and fashion coverage once again in Femina North, along with the VLCC contract and Kazo gift hamper. To do the honors, I would like to call on stage Tanya Chaitanya and Huma Qureshi.
Winner of the VLCC Femina Style Diva, presented by Maruti Suzuki Dzire, styled by Biba, is...
Any guesses? Huh? Jo 5 or? Huh? Is contestant number 10, Sana Dua.
Well, so there you have it, our winners for the evening. Round of applause for them. The first runner-up, second runner-up, and of course, our crowned victor.
The contestants, though some of them were amateurs, were really performing really to the professional levels. The judges, I can't say much about them, they're the best.
Relishing this.
She is the winner. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It feels great. I'm kind of speechless, running out of words. I don't know how to express my feelings, but it is a great feeling.
As they say that, hard work pays off. I've worked really hard for it, and I'm happy that I've achieved the result today.
And this goes to my mother. Femina Style Diva really means a lot to me.